First word. Capital. Capital means Rajdhani. Let's see one example. Delhi is capital of India. दिल्ली भारत की राजधानी है. Second word. Copper. Copper means Tamba. Let's see one example. Wire is made of copper. तार तांबे का बना होता है. Third word. Lazy. Lazy means आलसी. Let's see one example. You are a lazy person. आप एक आलसी व्यक्ति हैं. Fourth word. Birth. Birth means जन्म. Let's see one example. My birthplace is Delhi. मेरा जन्म स्थान दिल्ली है. Fifth word. Cause. Cause means कारण. Let's see one example. Cigarette is cause of cancer. सिगरेट कैंसर का कारण है. To be updated, hit subscribe button and press bell icon.